Welcome to the first video of the Secrets of the Rich series. In this series, we will unveil the strategies and techniques that make the rich achieve exceptional success and great wealth. Are you ready to discover these secrets and apply them in your life? Let's get started. Positive thinking, the secret to lasting success. Have you noticed how successful people always look at life from an optimistic perspective? They see life from a positive perspective and believe in their ability to achieve their goals, no matter the circumstances. Positive thinking is the foundation of success. Inspiring story. Let's talk about Thomas Edison, who failed over 1,000 times before he succeeded in inventing the light bulb. Edison did not see failure as an obstacle, but as an opportunity to learn and improve. This type of positive thinking is what gives the rich the ability to turn challenges into opportunities. Positive thinking does not mean ignoring problems, but rather dealing with them in a constructive way and looking for solutions instead of giving up. Through this perspective, the rich are able to constantly motivate themselves to achieve their goals, which leads us to the next secret. Determination and perseverance, the power of willpower. When we move on to determination and perseverance, we find that they are essential traits that distinguish the rich. The rich do not give up in the face of challenges. They see them as opportunities for learning and growth. Interesting statistic. Research shows that people who exhibit perseverance are 45% more likely to achieve their long-term goals than others. The rich continue to move forward even when things are tough, believing that perseverance and hard work will ultimately lead to their dreams coming true. Now, let's move on to how to manage wealth wisely. Financial intelligence. The art of wealth management. Financial intelligence is a critical skill that the rich possess. They do not spend money haphazardly, but rather carefully plan their expenses and investments. Inspiring story. Warren Buffett, who started investing at a young age, became one of the richest people in the world thanks to his smart financial decisions and careful planning. His focus on long-term investing and avoiding reckless financial adventures is what has made him a symbol of financial intelligence. Famous quote, "Don't save what's left after spending, but spend what's left after saving." Warren Buffett. Have you ever thought about how to diversify your investments to reduce risk and increase returns? The rich do this constantly, relying on their growing financial knowledge. And this leads us to calculated risk. Calculated risk. Courage with wisdom. Calculated risk is the key to success for many of the rich. Are you afraid of taking risks? The rich are not afraid of them, but they take them in a thoughtful way. Interesting statistic. Studies show that successful entrepreneurs often spend up to 20% of their time analyzing risks and opportunities before making major decisions. Famous quote, "The biggest risk is not taking a risk." In a world that is changing very quickly, the only guaranteed strategy for failure is not to take risks. Mark Zuckerberg. The rich know that success sometimes requires taking risks, but they do so after careful analysis and comprehensive evaluation. Are you ready to take a bold step in your career? Remember that calculated risk can be the key to opening new doors. In conclusion, today we have reviewed some of the most important secrets that the rich use to achieve success and wealth. Positive thinking, determination and perseverance, financial intelligence, and calculated risk. As we have seen from real stories and statistics, these principles are not just theories, but effective tools for achieving goals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to receive the second part of the Secrets of the Rich series, where we will explore more strategies and techniques for achieving success and wealth. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.